Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you, but my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels, and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. Now, the big dynamic that's played out here since the last analysis I did was the price has now been able to break up through this trend line here. Over the past few weeks, the price has essentially just been drifting slowly downwards, but today price got up above that red line. And not only that, if you look closely, there's that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, and you can see the price just got above it right there. So it's kind of a double whammy in the sense that the price not only got above the resistance trend line right there, but also got above that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. So definitely a significant move. So the big dynamic going forward, and let's just use the 20-hour number. So let's say you're watching this video 20 hours after I upload it. Question number one that you need to ask yourself is, where is the price at relative to 5,500? 55 is important because as long as you're answering the question that the price is up above 5,500, then this breakout is still in play. Now, sure, maybe the pullback, it's pulled back here, but nothing can go straight up. The problem, though, is if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is actually down below 5,500, that implies that, again, 15, 20 hours from now, the price is pulled back to the trend line and now dropped back below it. And that's an issue, not in the sense of the entire chart is epically destroyed, but in the sense of, well, that wasn't really a truly strong breakout, because now all of a sudden that breakout is quite literally right back to where it was. And that's not the sign of any sort of true breakout, right? True breakouts are going to, well, keep on breaking out, right? The price is going to make progress forward. It's not going to go back to where it was. So that's what that 5,500 mark is representing. So that is really the key level to really pay close attention to, whether or not the price can stay above there. Because if it can, then that means that the breakout is still underway. And then from there, it's just a matter of continuing to chip away and build those higher bases. So 5,500, I'm going to keep it very simple for this analysis. That is definitely the main level that matters most going forward. So let's see if the price can maintain above it, because again, if it can, that implies that the the chart is staying up above that trend line break, and that's what you want to see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.